How long to boil egg? The big question. How long to boil an egg? The quick answer is, it takes 4 to 5 minutes to soft boil a large egg that's perfect for dipping toast soldiers into. However, egg cooking time depends on a number of factors. Personal preference, whether the eggs are refrigerated, their size and even the type of pan used. Whether you prefer soft or hard-boiled, we have put together a list of easy-to-follow instructions for getting great boiled eggs every time. No matter how you like your eggs boiled. How long to boil an egg? Boiled egg timing. For perfect results, you may also want to consider the size of the eggs to be boiled. Soft boiled egg time? 3 minutes for a medium egg. 4 minutes for a large egg. 5 minutes for an extra large egg. Medium cooked? 4 minutes for a medium egg. 5 minutes for a large egg. 6 minutes for an extra large egg. How long to hard boil eggs? 7 minutes for a medium egg. 8 minutes for a large egg. 9 minutes for an extra large egg. Cook's tips. To prevent egg cracking, make a small pin prick in the shell at the rounded end to allow the steam to escape. And now a recipe with boiled eggs. Very simple. To enjoy breakfasts on another level. Ingredients: 2 large eggs. Water for boiling. Pinch of salt. Buttered toast cut into soldiers to serve. Optional. Method: place the large egg in a small pan. Cover with at least 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, of cold water. Add a pinch of salt and place the pan on a high heat. When the water is almost boiling, gently stir the egg, and set a kitchen timer for one of the timings below. 3 minutes for really soft boiled yolk and set white. 4 minutes for slightly set yolk and set white. 5 minutes for a medium cooked firmer yolk and white. 6 minutes for hard boiled with lightly soft yolk. 8 minutes for firmly hard boiled. Reduce heat slightly to keep water bubbling but not fast boiling, and stir the egg once more. Once cooking time is complete, remove the egg from the pan with slotted spoon. Place into egg cup and serve immediately with hot buttered toast soldiers. And this is all about how long to boil egg. We hope you have found it interesting.